Securing funds for your dream business can be challenging, but it's a crucial step towards success. Now, let's explore some creative ways to fund your business. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Self-finance your startup business by using your personal savings and reinvesting profits. 2. Explore traditional financing with business loans from private or public sector banks. 3. Consider alternative lending options by availing small business loans from NBFCs or MFIs. 4. Explore government-backed initiatives designed to support startups through specialized loan schemes. 5. Utilize business credit cards for efficient expense management and building credit. 6. Engage your community and potential customers by arranging funds from online crowdfunding platforms. 7. Connect with individuals willing to invest through peer-to-peer lending platforms. 8. Seek experienced individuals who are willing to invest and mentor your startup. Find an angel investor. In conclusion, remember that every successful startup begins with determination and creative funding. Now, go out there and make your dream business a reality.